On July 23, 1967, Detroit reached its breaking point. In the early hours of the morning, police raided an unlicensed after-hours bar known in the community as the Blind Pig, where black veterans were celebrating a homecoming. But this wasn't just one raid. This was about years of redlining, housing discrimination, underemployment, and nonstop police harassment. Tensions had been building, and that night, the people responded. What followed was one of the most destructive uprisings in the U.S. history. For 5 days, the city burned. Over 7,000 people were arrested. More than 400 buildings were destroyed, and 43 people lost their lives, most of them black. The media called it a riot, but Detroit's black community, it was a rebellion, a demand to be seen, heard, and respected, not just in Detroit, but across America. This is what happened today in Black history.